welcome to a new video. Today we're driving Dorothy, as you can see, at the Morris Minor, and we're out in the countryside driving around doing some aerial footage using a drone. So I'm excited about this because I've been wanting to do it for such a long time. Just didn't have the drone to do it, and my buddy Doug, my brother-in-law, actually is here in the US, and from the US here in the UK, and he brought his drone with him. So I thought, hey, it's a nice day. It's late October. The trees are really nice and colorful. It'd be a great day to do some footage using the drone. So hope you guys enjoy it. I'm kind of excited to see how it's going to turn out and see what it looks when it's done. And thanks, guys. guys, I hope you really enjoyed that video. We're still working on how to film with drone. It's not the easiest thing. You gotta kind of play with it and get the angles, and also flying the drone isn't a tricky thing. So, you know, you can film 80% of the filming is useless, and then like the 20% is decent quality where you can actually see the car and it looks like it's professionally done, but definitely amateurs. My brother-in-law is still learning how to fly it. He's had a few drones over the years, but I think with the car stuff and the moving objects, it makes it a little trickier. But hopefully he'll be back to visit us next year or so. Maybe we can do some more drone footage and get a little better at it. Maybe film the Gallant, or just maybe even a motorcycle or something that we're going to be getting next year. So yeah, I think it went well. It's a cool footage. Definitely, I enjoyed it. Enjoyed doing it. He enjoyed filming it. So yeah, I think we'll end the video there. And if you guys like it, give me a thumbs up. Lay down a comment if you got something, maybe something to that would help us in the next drone footage techniques and styles of doing it. So yeah, stay tuned, guys, for another video. Probably coming out in a couple weeks. Got a new vehicle joining the garage. It's new, so I'm looking forward to getting it. We're going to be doing a little project stuff to it. I'll be showing you guys soon, so stay tuned for that. Hey, put down in the comments, let me know what you think I'm getting. It is Japanese, of course, and it is a car, so I'll give you a little bit of tips there to what it could be. So if you made it to the end of this video, thanks, guys. I really appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. We've got lots of content that I'm trying to come up with towards the end of this year and then into next year. So thanks, guys. Once again, take care of yourselves.
Take off.